Let me give you a quick room tour of the place where we are staying right now. It's called Banks Mason. It's a luxury hotel right at the heart of Amsterdam. The category of room we are staying is guest suite with canal view. This is the washroom. As we enter, this is the bathroom with full-size amenities, toilet and a hidden bathtub, smartly designed. As we go out, we have our bed here, which is a twin bed but converted to double bed. There are like 3 windows here and a sitting place to just chill. This hotel has like fully all-inclusive concept, so you get like drinks on the house, whether you drink it in the room, minibar is included, or you drink it at the bar. It's always 24/7 open and it's all inclusive. So this is like a cute drinking corner. There's one more window here, the wardrobe and a luggage, TV. Here is the coffee corner, and we have a mini bar which gets refilled every day. So we have already finished 2 beer once we arrived here, which will get refilled, but we can go to the bar and drink anytime, which is included. This cute telephone. There's some champagne bottles, waters, message gift for me from the hotel. So this is how the room looks like. Absolutely stunning and amazing, totally differently designed. And I will show you the view now. Get ready. So this is the view. We have a canal view. Also the bridge, canal bridge, like absolutely stunning. Both you have best of everything. The bridge, the canal, both centrally located. The location is outstanding. Everything is, we're right at the heart of Amsterdam, so everything is centrally located. You know, by foot we can see the entire Amsterdam and all the attraction really. You can see those flowers and benches that you see on Instagram. So this is our room. We've checked into our next hotel in Amsterdam, which is called Met Hotel Amsterdam, and this is how the room looks like. As we enter, we have this huge mirror which is also open from the other side, and this is the big wardrobe cum tea coffee area, tea setup, coffee setup, and a safe. This is how our bed looks like. There's a TV here, and this is our balcony cum window. This is the view. There's one more here. So as we come here, we have a wardrobe and a luggage space. Here from this side, you enter the washroom and there's a toilet. Toilet here. And here you reach the mirror again, जो entrance से भी दिखाया था मैंने. The other side of the mirror. और यहाँ पे है bathroom, shower area. ये होटल रूम काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग और काफ़ी बड़ा है. Okay, so we have checked into our last hotel in Amsterdam. Here we are for one day and tomorrow we are going, but I'm super excited to show you this room, and this hotel is super cute, very authentic Dutch kind of feeling, local kind of feeling. But let me show you the room. We have a large double bed canal view category room, which is the highest category. So this is how the room looks like. As we enter, we have a coffee set of coffee table here with coffee amenities. यहाँ पे 2 mugs दिया हुआ है जो absolutely cute हैं. यहाँ का कीज़, पुराने कीज़, इनका ये आइकॉनिक सिंबल है लगता है, क्योंकि इनके इसमें भी की बने हैं, होटल में भी की बने हैं. सो एनीवेज दिस फ्रेम, रियल कीज़ को फ्रेम किया गया है, विंटेज कीज़. वाटर बॉटल्स दिया है. यहाँ पे है वॉशरूम, ये भी दिखा देते हैं. दिस इज़ सुपर क्यूट वॉशरूम. Let's go and see the bed now. This is our pretty much bedroom. Big huge canal view. I'll show you the view in a bit. But यहाँ पे ये लोगों ने, होटल ने हमारे लिए बहुत सारे goodies रखा है. ये कप, इनका आइकॉनिक कप, नोट है. There's so many greeting cards, pen, chips, local Dutch toffees, tote bag. इनका बेड एंड कुशन्स, यहाँ पे भी की बना हुआ है. लेट्स सी द व्यू. यहाँ से देखिए, इट्स लाइक अ फुल साइज, फ्लोर साइज विंडो हियर. और यहाँ पे हाफ साइज विंडो दिया है जहाँ से कि पूरा कैनल दिखता है. बहुत ही सुंदर होटल है ये. बहुत डच वाइब वाला होटल है, लोकल वाइब वाला होटल है. एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. ये रहे हम.